Welcome back to another episode about the Yagi Antenna Design. In this episode, we're going to cover the part of the Yagi antenna that actually gives us gain, the director elements. In this episode, we'll calculate the length of each director, explain why they get shorter, and then look at the spacing between the driven element and each director. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design a 4-director Yagi, not by guessing, but by understanding what's happening. In episode 2, we calculated the driven element's length, which becomes our reference point for the rest of the antenna. In episode 3, we made the reflector slightly longer to push energy forward. So now we do the opposite for the directors. Directors pull energy from the driven element, and the reflector push energy towards the driven element. So the directors do the opposite, they pull while the reflector push. Directors don't connect electrically to anything. Instead, they re-radiate energy that's slightly ahead in phase, which causes the signal to add up in the forward direction. Each additional director increases gain, but this only happens if the length and the spacing are correct. Now here's the key rule. Every director is shorter than the driven element, and each director after that is a little shorter than the previous one. This creates a control phase progression that steers energy forward. In designing a Yagi antenna, we always start with the driven element length. It doesn't matter the frequency you're building for, it could be Wi-Fi, LTE, or ham radio. The driven element's length is always your baseline. For example, my driven element length is 6.16 centimeters. Director 1 is usually 2 to 3% shorter than the driven element. Now, director 1 is the most important director because it has the biggest influence on gain and impedance. Director 2 continues the trend. This one is typically 4 to 5% shorter than the driven element. You'll notice we are not shortening randomly. We are creating a smooth progression, not big jumps. Director 3, usually around 6 to 7% shorter. By now we are shaping the beam, narrowing it, and pushing energy further forward. Director 4 is typically 8 to 10% shorter than the driven element. Beyond this point, additional directors give diminishing returns unless spacing and element's length are carefully optimized. This table is the heart of director design. You don't need complicated math, just controlled shortening and consistency. Now let's talk spacing. Spacing affects phase, and length sets resonance. Spacing controls when the energy arrives in space. Now the distance between the driven element and D1, which is director 1, is usually between 15 and 20%. That's why I have it written here as 0.15 times the wavelength to 0.2. That is 15 to 20%. Now if I pick 15% here, I will have the full wavelength, which is 12.31 centimeters. We worked this out in the previous episode, and that would be times 0.15 if I pick 15%. And that is equal to 1.85 centimeters. So the distance between the driven element and D1 would be 1.85 centimeters. Now the spacing between the directors are generally quite similar, or maybe slightly smaller than the one before it. Keeping spacing consistent helps maintain a smooth radiation pattern and stable impedance. Now further in the series, I'll dive more into the theory and show you what happens when you increase and decrease spacing and element length. There are three most common mistakes that I see repeated over and over. Making all directors the same length, guessing what the spaces should be, or adding too many directors without understanding the phase behavior. Remember, more metal does not automatically mean more gain. In the next episode, we'll talk about balance and impedance matching. How to actually get power from your coax into your antenna efficiently, because a perfect design Yagi still won't perform well if it is not matched correctly. This was episode 4 of the Yagi Antenna Design Series. If you haven't watched the earlier episodes, I'll link them in the description below. And if this episode helped you to understand directors, give it a like and subscribe for the next part. This is Trevor from Telecom Training. See you in the next video.